So gang, keeping on the theme with children's toys, homemade style. This was a toy that my folks bought for me, not this specific one, but they, essentially the same thing. When I was a child, at some, maybe mountain fair, some sort of fair, and I've always had fond memories of a rubber band gun. And I told these boys I'd make them some rubber band guns. And guess what we did? It was Sunday, and we decided to make some guns. All right? Boys will be boys. Give the children guns. Just give them guns, okay? They like them. It's fun. It's not a big deal. Feel free to say what you're going to say in the comments.
Sunglasses if you want to shoot in the face.
Yes. Sunglasses are a good idea so you don't get a rubber band in the face.
Or goggles.
Or goggles. Swimming goggles is a good thing. So gang, very easy to make at home. And we started with this one. You can notice the barrel is a little bit less, right? And then things just got better and better. Oh, and you want to show them your handgun?
Here's my handgun. So, here you go. Where did that go?
And of course, the longer barrel, y'all, it shoots. It shoots well.
Let me give you some tips how to load it. It's a little tricky. Let me give you a close-up shot. You see that little groove right there? My dad made that. You just put a jigsaw right there. That's where you put it in. Like that. And then you take both fingers and...
Oh my gosh, be careful.
And you do that. And then you close this. And done. And then...
Bam. Make sure you get your rubber bands.
Or it'll be rubber
Pretty fun. Gang, guess how much this cost? Free 30 free. That's a funny way to say didn't cost any money. And so I'm going to show you real quick how to make it without actually making it. It's pretty straightforward. Jigsaw, right? And so you just take a pencil. It's good to use a pencil because you might re-up. Here's what the board used to look like, something like that. And use some of these. The children can't hold it well enough for you, so use these clamps. And then also, you want a finger hole, right? So get a little hole there. I like to do that first. There you go. And bam, next thing you got 3 guns, and you got 3 hombres that want to shoot each other.
How'd you do the...
Oh, and then this?
This.
No, hey. Oh, my face. No, son. Ow. So the clip, gang, hot glue guns are amazing. I was going to screw them on. Hot glue works really well. I'm very impressed with the force factor of the hot glue. So this small child has small hands. So I did an inset groove in here, right? And then Grancy, we were having a hard time. She came through with these little rubber bands. That's great to have. Oh, sorry. Grancy is the technical term for my mom. When Nancy became a grandma, she all of a sudden turned into
a grandma.
Yeah, but what's her name? Grancy.
Grancy.
So what do you think? You like your gun?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What do you like best about it? What do you do with your gun?
Shoot it.
Yep. Okay. Whoa! Nice shot. Who do you shoot?
Who do you shoot with your gun?
Rubber bands.
No, who
That's
do
what
you shoot?
Who do you shoot?
Obviously bad guys.
Bad guys. Should we do a demo on how I shoot my children? Come over here. Sit right there.
I need to get my gun loaded.
Okay, get your glasses on.
I'll get my glasses on.
Grandma was right. I don't think you should encourage face shots, but wear some glasses in case it happens, right? It's a good idea, right, Owen?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Well, you can if you're, weirdos. Yeah.
So guess what my mom used to have me do when I was a kid, and I'm trying to encourage. If you're a gardener, and if you have chickens or ducks, you can hunt grasshoppers, right? You kill the grasshopper and
Ducks or chickens.
feed them to your ducks or chickens. Or you can shoot each other. Here, wait. Do you know what a showdown is? What do you call that? Shootout? Showdown? All right, go back to back, and we take 10 paces, and then we turn around and shoot each other. Okay? I'm gonna count it out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe just 6 is good. Shoot! Oh, he got me. He killed me. I just shot. Anyway, gang, you know, our friends have some really cool Nerf guns, lasers, Nerf. Don't get me wrong, Nerf guns are awesome. But guess what? Amazon doesn't deliver here. Sunday afternoon, I almost just watched YouTube videos myself. Hopefully this inspires you to make some artillery, some guns for your children. They love it. Look at that. It's fun. Thanks for watching. And hope this is inspiring.
This is a cool gun. It has good rubber bands. and
Way to
it's
be a
got-
dad.
it has
Way
little
to be a
ones.
dad,
It has
huh?
little ones.
Don't do it. Don't do it. No,
Yeah.
no, no. Oh! Ooh, skin shot. Don't pollute. Pick up your bands. Yeah, Brooke.
No micro trash.
And try to, make sure the children, when they're loading them,
Ow!
they don't hurt themselves. I've tried to show this young chap how to load it properly, but they don't listen.
these ones. I do.
They don't listen.
I do.
So
Look.
when you're loading it, don't point at somebody's face.
Look.
That's
See?
one of the things.
See?
Okay, there you go. There you go. Look at that loading.
I show that to them. And I do it every time.
All right. What? Oh, come on.
These are the little ones.
That's a little one.
All right. Should we do a sign out?
Those are the biggest.
Thanks for watching.